Hi, this is Paris from Rapid Visual, and in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to use Rapid Visual to create customer personas. It is incredibly useful to be able to assign a name and have a picture, an image of what your potential ideal customer might look like. So let's see how the system can help us do that. Now, we were already working on an idea of the solar-powered portable power bank that can also be used as an emergency power backup, which was an idea the AI helped us come up with. Then we came up with the food truck operators as a potential customer segment. So what we do now is we mouse over that particular sticky under customer segments and we see that customer profile icon show up. As soon as we click that, we get prompted with the question, for which value proposition are you trying to create a match with this particular customer segment? And in this case, I'm trying to use it as an emergency power backup. So then I click on create customer segment and a lot of magic is happening behind the scenes. But in very short order, you're going to get a couple of things. We're specifically looking today at the persona. So you see already that we have Disha Mehta, who is our food truck operator. She's a busy chef. This is the customer segment of busy chefs, cooks, entrepreneurs, small business owners operating in urban areas. It's come up with a lot of interesting stuff to describe the customer segment, but you can also influence that. If you click on more, you can create additional personas. And then you can pick, for example, from one of the ones that you can see the description is a better fit with what you had in mind. And as you do that, you're creating a visual representation of who your ideal customer is. In the next video, we'll look at how do you understand what their needs are in the customer profile that's just sitting there on the right. Till then, keep innovating.